Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and you're watching FOMO, Passion on My Own. Now, before I get into today's video, I have to thank all you lovely people out there because FOMO has crossed a milestone of 10,000 subscribers. I'm so excited and thank you so much. Do keep the love coming. Now, of course, there's a huge giveaway at the end, so you can't afford to miss this video. Now, coming to the video, scarves are a very interesting way to add that pop of color to any outfit. But to make that scarf work, you need to know how to wear one. So watch this video to know the different ways you can make the scarf work.
Drape the scarf over your shoulder with one end slightly longer than the other end. Loop the longer end over your neck, but not fully around in such a way that it's hanging down from your back. Drape the scarf over your shoulder with one end slightly longer than the other end. Loop the longer end around your neck once. Adjust the loop over the neck and balance out the ends of the scarf. Drape the scarf over your shoulder with one end significantly longer than the other end. Loop the longer end around your neck twice in the same direction. Take the end you looped around your neck and fit it through the second loop and tie a simple knot so that the two ends are dangling to the side like a bunny's ear. Belt it. Just tuck your scarf into your belt and look stylish effortlessly. Drape the scarf over your shoulder with one end significantly longer than the other end. Loop the longer end around the neck 3 times and fit the end when you loop through the third loop so that it's dangling down underneath the loop. Fit the non-loop into the third loop. Try this look with your hair up, then look out for the paparazzi. Drape scarf over shoulder with one end significantly longer than the other end. Loop the longer end around your neck 3 times and tie a simple overhand knot to get rid of most excess fabric. Fit the knot underneath the loop so that no excess fabric is shown. Fold the scarf into half like this. Drape it over your shoulder, keeping the non-folded end significantly longer. Fit the non-folded end into the loop created by the folded end and tighten. Drape the scarf over your shoulder and tying the ends of the scarf together to create a large loop. Twist the scarf and layer it over your head, covering and hiding the knot. Fold the scarf in half lengthwise. Drape folded scarf over shoulder with the non-folded end significantly longer than the other end. Fit the non-folded end into the loop created by the folded end. Twist the folded end over itself, forming an 8. Fit the rest of the non-folded end into the second loop created by the twist. Adjust and balance out the scarf.
For a classic look, an elegant silk scarf tied around the neck is timeless. For an evening look, a long sheer scarf draped around the shoulders will complement any dress. You can also tie the scarf around the messy bun and that will definitely make you stand out. Now the last thing I think you can do is tie a thin scarf around your wrist and that adds so much more color to any minimalist outfit. So ladies, those were the different scarf styles. Do let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite. Now coming to the 10,000 subscribers giveaway, it's this pretty scarf from Accessorize priced at 2390. You know you want it and you know what you have to do. Let me know in the comments below why do you think you should win it. Share this video and of course you have to be a subscriber of FOMO to win this one. Bye!